Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you are doing good. In today's video, I will be covering a luxurious wellness resort in Lonavala. This is Ritesh Singh and be with me to know more about this resort. Today I am doing hotel tour of Hilton Shillim Wellness Resort and Spa, Lonavala. Out of total landscape of 3,500 acre of Shillim Estate, resort is spread over 320 acre, offers one of the best view of Shyadri Mountains. Approx 3 hours from Mumbai and 2.5 hours from Pune, Shillim Resort offer luxurious villa accommodation and wellness. Let's start with the rooms. This is Spa Pool Villa. 2000 square feet luxurious villa offers a separate living room and a bedroom with a private pool. You will also get a personalized wellness associate as part of this villa. Bathroom is well designed with an indoor bathtub and rain shower. This is Valley View Villa. A 1000 square feet villa offers a spacious bedroom with a classic interior and a spacious bathroom, offers bathtub and a rain shower. This is Deluxe Valley View Villa. A 1000 square feet spacious villa with a classic interior offers a beautiful sit out to enjoy valley view. Bathroom is spacious, offer bathtub and open air shower. This is Forest View Villa. A 1000 square feet Forest View Villa offers a beautiful interior with a spacious bathroom, which has bathtub and outdoor shower. Villa also offers an outdoor seating which offers one of the best view of Western Ghat. This is Presidential Pool Villa. A 3,500 square feet luxurious villa offers a spacious living room with a glass wall to enjoy classic view and 3 bedrooms. Bathrooms are well designed with bathtub and open air shower. You will also get a personalized wellness associate as part of this villa. To enhance your experience, villa offers a private pool which has an amazing view of Western Ghat. Now it's time to experience F&B. Along with Terrazzo, which is an all-day dining, a multi-cuisine restaurant, offers breakfast, lunch and dinner. Resort offer multiple options for eat and drink. One of my favorite is Chef's Table, a unique venue with the best valley view. Resort can also arrange a private dining in your villa or your preferred location. This is Guest Swimming Pool, which offers an amazing valley view. Hilton Shillim and Spa is one of the best places for wellness and meditation. Along with 17 treatment room with private garden, resort also offer meditation cave, relaxation center and yoga pavilion. apart from yoga and meditation, resort also offer lots of recreational activities option. You can enjoy trekking in jungle, cooking training, pot making, horse riding, or much more. You can also experience organic farming at the resort. Resort do offers banquet hall if you're looking to host any kind of off-site, conferences or a social event. So this is a short tour of Hilton Shillim Wellness Resort and Spa. I have tried to cover maximum detail for you. I hope you will like this hotel tour. Please like, share and comment your feedback. Please subscribe my channel if you haven't subscribed yet. Thank you very much for watching this. Take care. Bye bye.